Today, we are going to review ESTELIN Lip Care 3-in-1. In this box you got lip mask, lip sugar scrub and lip balm. There is some instructions and product information. And we have peach flavor. It has more flavors to like coffee, cherry and vitamin C. This side we have sugar scrub and lip mask. We need to apply a small amount of product as mask on our lips for 5 minutes. Then scrub it gently with your fingertip for 5 minutes. In this side we got lip balm. And we also get a small applicator. Now, let's just apply it. In first I'm applying the mask scrub with the applicator. After applying, leave it for 5 minutes. Then, I'm using the tip of my index finger to gently scrub it for 5 minutes. In circular motion. Scrub removes your dead skin and make your darker lips light and pink. It's best for people who have dark lips because of smoking. After scrubbing, I'm going to remove the leftover product from my lips. Second step. I'm going to moisturize my lips with the lip balm. It smells and tastes so fruity. I personally love this product. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and don't forget to like, share with your friends and family. Allah HAFIZ.